Okay, guess what I got in the mail today? GIVI. It's my new windscreen. So let's put it on, see if it's any better than this small piece of rubbish that came on the Tiger. Alright, so there you go, it's all fitted now. It was fairly straightforward. The only thing that caused me a little bit of bother at first was getting the fittings here in the right place, because once you've got that spacing right, you can't actually get underneath to tighten the bolts up, so you've got to get it right. Remove the screen, tighten everything up, put the screen back on again. Now the main thing is giving it a test ride. Not sure what the best setting is for the windshield. So I've got about 2/3 of the way up. Still feels like there's a reasonable amount of wind noise, but it's on the earplugs in, so I won't really be able to tell until I listen to the video footage afterwards. So to change it, let's hook those up, and you can slide it up or down as you need. Let's push those back in to tighten it up again, easy as pie. And that does feel better.